Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about IoT, what can be used with IoT, and explain better the IBM IoT Cloud platform. First, I will give a quick overview of IoT. After, I will talk about some platforms and services that can be used with IoT. Third, I will explain the IBM IoT Cloud, and in the next video I will discuss Bluemix. IoT overview. As we know, IoT is a concept for connecting network devices to the internet. Consequently, we have a huge quantity of data continuously arriving to the internet. Platforms and services that can be used with IoT. Using cloud and big data-based platforms and services, we can intelligently store and apply interesting analytics to this data. We can use a service such as Bluemix, IBM IoT Cloud, Bluemix servers. For example, we can use the Analytics Warehouse and the Analytics Forward Loop to apply text analytics. We can also use MongoDB and Cloud to store data. And we can use Twilio Cloud Communication Service to send text messages and make phone calls. IBM IoT Cloud. IBM IoT Cloud is a platform to create end-to-end solutions. It's provided by IBM and is one of the easiest ways to configure and register device. We can also publish and visualize the data in real time in the cloud. Now let's visit the website. That is the internetofthings.ibmcloud.com. Here is how the IBM IoT Cloud website looks like. On the bottom you can see the supported device. And on the top we can see the receipts section, and I will click on it now. And we can see all the receipts that the platform provides. We can use text estimates using the sensor tag and the BeagleBoard, for example. We can use the Raspberry Pi, and you even can use your own device. I will click on the text estimates button. In here we can see it's like a tutorial where it has the instructions. So if you follow this instruction, you are able to connect your device to the IoT, and you can also visualize the data in real time from your network device. So it's very cool. So now I will click on the Raspberry Pi receipt, and as you can see, it's almost the same thing of the text estimates receipt. So here are instructions that you should follow, and once you follow these instructions, you will be able to visualize the data in the IBM IoT Cloud in real time. So it's very easy, and you just need to follow all the instructions here, and you will be able to create IoT applications. The platform also provides tutorials to create applications. You can use the Node-RED Quick Starter, for example, and this tutorial explains you how to create a simple application using Node-RED in Bluemix. So once you have your device, in this case the BeagleBoard and the TI sensor tag, sending data to the IBM IoT Cloud, you can create a Node-RED application on Bluemix and get the data that is the IoT platform. And once you have the data, you can apply interesting analytics in the data, and you also can create cool applications with that data. So if you follow the tutorial, you will be able to create a simple Node-RED application using the IBM IoT platform, the text estimates, and Bluemix. Thank you.